in, on, at. When do we use these? Let's talk about preposition of place. I hope this video helps you get closer to your goals. In can be used in several different ways. For example, in can indicate that the noun is inside something. The chocolates are in the box. In is also used when a noun is surrounded or semi-enclosed. Like the dog is in the garden. There is a fence around the garden. In can also be used to talk about a type of building or a type of room. I am in the coffee shop. I am in the kitchen. I am in the hallway. So the hallway isn't completely enclosed, but it is semi-enclosed. Okay. In is also used for geographic locations. You can use it for cities. For example, I am in London. You can use it for countries. I am in the USA. You can use it for neighborhoods. I am in the downtown district. And you can use it for continents. I am in North America. In is also used for transportation. But be careful. Not all transportation. Okay, so in is used in the following examples. I am in a car. I am in a taxi. I am in a helicopter. We also use in when talking about books, articles, and blogs. The governor was in that blog. The dog was in the book. On. When do we use it? On is used when talking about a surface. The spider is on the wall. The spider is on the floor. The spider is on the ceiling. The spider is on the table. On is also used for transportation. Be careful. Sometimes it's in, sometimes it's on. So for a plane, a train, a bus, or a subway, use on. Where are you? I am on the train. Where are you? I am on the bus. Where are you? I am on the subway. Oh, the reception is terrible. I can't hear you. Okay, on is also used for media, like she was on the TV or he was on YouTube. At is used for a specific location. He is at the mall. They are at the bus stop. They are at work. At can also refer to a specific location within a building. For example, he is at the entrance. She is at the exit. You can be more specific. He is at his desk. I am at my desk right now. Do you have other questions? Let me know. Thank you, everyone. Take care.